Dane County is launching a new initiative to help people with behavioral health challenges stay out of the criminal justice system.
Officials are including money in the 2021 budget for a mental health triage and restoration center. The county is setting aside $300,000 for the center to provide services to address mental health challenges both inside and outside of the criminal justice system. People can access services by walking in, a referral, as well as being brought in by law enforcement.
The goal is to see the reduction of folks who don't need to be in jail, who need treatment, who need assistance, to have a place for them to go, and that doesn't exist in Dane County.
Dane County hopes to have the center up and running in the next 3 years.